Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Clan. Today we'll be talking about Axie Infinity. We'll be going through Axie Infinity's use cases, its current market performance, and the latest Axie Infinity news headlines. So what is Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game in which players can battle, collect, raise, and build a land-based kingdom for their pets. Axie Infinity was released in 2018 by its founders Alexander Larsen, Trung Nguyen, and William Duplessis. Despite Axie Infinity being a relatively new release, Axie Infinity is the #1 ranked Ethereum game by daily, weekly, and monthly active users. It has generated over 13,000 ETH in revenue at the time of recording. Axie Infinity players can earn the ERC20 token AXS by competing in player versus player battles to win leaderboard prizes, breeding Axies, which are the pets on the Axie Infinity ecosystem, and selling them on the marketplace. Players can farm for small love potions or SLPs, which are needed to breed Axies. SLPs can be sold and purchased on exchanges such as Uniswap and Binance. Breeding is currently the most popular aspect of Axie Infinity, whereby Axies can be bred to create new offspring. Breeding on Axie costs 4 AXS and some smooth love potions depending on how many times the Axie has been bred. Each Axie has 6 body parts as well as a body shape. For each part, an Axie possesses 3 genes: a dominant, a recessive, and a minor recessive gene. When breeding, each gene has a chance to be passed down to offspring, whereby dominant genes have a 37.5% chance to be passed to the offspring. Recessive genes have a 9.375% chance to be passed to the offspring, and minor recessive genes, or R2, have a 3.125% chance to be passed to the offspring. It takes 5 days for the egg from the bred pair to morph into an Axie. This will enable the determination of genes present in the newly bred Axie. To prevent the hyperinflation of Axies, there is a maximum amount of times an Axie can be bred before it is sterile. Lunacia is the world Axie Infinity is built on. Lunacia consists of 90,601 plots of land. These land plots are represented as non-fungible tokens which can be purchased, rented out, and developed by players. Lunacia is represented as a 301 by 301 grid, with each square representing a tokenized plot of land. Lunacia is divided into Savanna, Forest, Arctic, Mystic, and Genesis. There are also roads and rivers present in Lunacia. The central red region of the Lunacia map is known as Lunar Landing, which is solely owned by the Lunacia's High Council. Lunacia SDK is a map editor where Axie Infinity players can use art assets to create games and other experiences. Once a game has been created, it is saved as a non-fungible token and can be traded. These NFTs can be placed on land and players will be able to click on them to enter the game inside. The Axie Infinity team developed this option as a means of gradually decentralizing the game creation aspect of the Axie universe. This factor will enable the scaling of the game. Staking rewards will be coming to the Axie Infinity blockchain game. AXS staking will act as an incentive for holding AXS and supporting the ecosystem. Stakers receive freshly issued AXS and will be able to signal their support for various proposals to improve Axie Infinity. AXS stakers will eventually direct usage of the community treasury. Those who stake to earn yield in Axie Infinity will be able to claim a weekly reward if they stake their tokens for a period of 3, 6, and 12 months. Staking measures will also give Axie Infinity users the chance to obtain special NFTs from drops. AXS token holders will also be able to partake in governance voting. So how has Axie Infinity performed on the market? AXS is currently the 52nd ranked cryptocurrency with a market cap of over $1.6 billion and currently has a circulating supply of over 55 million coins and a maximum supply of 270 million coins. The maximum 270 million AXS token supply is set to be reached in 2026. The AXS token will be distributed, whereby 20% of the tokens will be distributed for play to earn, 29% will be available for staking rewards, 8% of the supply is set for ecosystem funds. The core Sky Mavis team will control 21% of the supply. Advisors will have 7% of the AXS tokens. Public and private sales of AXS tokens will make up 15% of the token supply. The AXS token has experienced significant increases in price throughout 2021. AXS experienced its first significant increase in price, where the token's price rose from $0.56 in January and reached an impressive high of $10.32 in early April. The AXS token's price remained fairly stable throughout the remainder of April and the majority of May. The AXS token experienced a correction in price in June, where its price dropped to $3.37 per coin. AXS's price went parabolic in July and reached its all-time high of $30.55 per coin. This increase in price could have given individuals who bought AXS tokens in January 55x returns on investment. Axie Infinity's impressive and unique fundamental features has led to a number of entities partnering with the platform. The electronic giant Samsung has added support for Axie Infinity to the Samsung blockchain wallet. Axie will be listed in the dApp section of the wallet, and the game can be played through a Web3 browser. The listing of Axie Infinity on the Samsung blockchain wallet will enable the active trading of AXS tokens through the app. The video game company Ubisoft has partnered with the Axie Infinity blockchain game. Ubisoft, alongside the cryptocurrency exchange Binance, will serve as validator nodes for Ronin, which is an Axie Infinity sidechain. The development of Ronin will help Axie Infinity minimize the impact of the Ethereum network's congestion and speed up the game experience. Axie Infinity has partnered with a DeFi ecosystem, MakerDAO, which specializes in decentralized lending and borrowing services. The introduction of MakerDAO into the Axie Infinity ecosystem will enable the use of the DAI stablecoin in the blockchain game. MakerDAO will enable collateral debt positions, whereby Axie players will be able to create and lock collateral in positions via MakerDAO. This will allow Axie users to obtain NFTs present on the game. MakerDAO will enable the acquisition of rare Axie NFTs, epic Axie NFTs and mystic Axie NFTs for 150 DAI, 1,500 DAI and 15,000 DAI respectively. What are your thoughts on Axie Infinity? What price could Axie Infinity reach in 10 years time? Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.